Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem. Check if all ones are at least length k places away. So this is very straightforward problem and easy. If you have done few problems on LeetCode, then you can easily come up with the solution. And let's understand with the example. Given an array of nums of zeros and ones and the integer k, and we have to return true if all ones are at least k places away from each other. Otherwise, we have to return false. So let's understand this example over here. So k for this problem is given as 2. So what we need to see, like we have these two consecutive ones, then the distance between them is the number of zeros, which is 3. So which is greater than or equals to 2. Similarly here it is 2, which is greater than or equal to 2. And if we see these two, then this is also very greater than. So we just go one by one and see in the consecutive pairs of 1, and if it is satisfying k greater than or equal to 2, or basically the distance between them is greater than or equal to k, then we will keep doing it. Wherever we find if it is not satisfying, we will return the false. So how we will solve? So the one of the straightforward easiest solution, we will iterate these numbers array elements by, let's say, right pointer index, and we will also keep a left pointer index that will represent the last one seen, and whenever we reach on the new one, we will compare the distance difference between them if it is greater than or equal to k or not. If it is not, we will return false there itself. So for first case, we just initialize this L from very big negative number, or like minus k minus 1. So here if you see the big number like k can be of nums dot length, and nums dot length can be 10 to the power 5. So for safe case, we can start 10 power 5 plus 1, which is this, and then we see when we find this first one, we will check this difference is greater than k. Yes, we will keep it, and after that we will update L to this current R, and then we keep moving R to rightward. We will keep moving. If we 0 nothing, then we reach here R, then we will again, so R equal to here index is 0 1 2 3 4, and the L is on 0 index. So we will see 4 minus 0. So that finding the difference between them will be R minus L minus 1. If it is less than k, then we will return false. Otherwise we update our L by R. So that's the only solution. So you can pause the video and implement code yourself. So let's implement the code. So for the coding part, we initialize here first R y0 and also L in the same place. You can also initialize out of for loop. So with the very big value, let's say minus 10 0 0 0 1, and after that we keep moving R until we reach on the end of the array length sort, and then we R keep incrementing. Now first we will check if we found the nums of R is 1. Wherever we find the 1, then we will check if the R minus L minus 1 is less than k, then return false, which means we found a condition where it is not satisfying. Otherwise we update ry left pointer by the new one, the last this L is representing last one, last seen one, and in the end if we not returning from the for loop, we will return here true, because every consecutive one is satisfying the constraint. So let's compile the code or run the code and see if it is working. Oh, there is a typo here, so which is nums instead of num. So let's compile it again and see. So it is working fine. Now we can submit this, and got accepted. So the what is the time complexity? As you can see, we just iterating all the numbers once, so which is length of the array, which is O of n, and the space complexity, as we are not using any other extra space, we just using the constants, so which is constant. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And there is another very good problem like finding the maximum or minimum distance between the person sitting on the row. So I will put the link of that. That problem is very interesting, which is similar to this problem, so you can try it out. Thanks for watching.